Hey guys, so if you're ever stranded because your battery is dead but your alternator still works and you want to start your manual transmission car, this is how you do it. First off, you put it in the on position. After that, you could put it into first gear or even a higher gear if you're going fast enough, or reverse if you're going backwards, which I'll show you later. Now, you're going to need to get the car rolling somehow. I purposefully started this video on a decline so that I could show you guys how it is when you're just parked downhill. All you have to do is roll forward, let the clutch out fast, and your car will start right up. But in case you can't, you could push start your car, having somebody push you, or even pushing yourself and jumping in the car. But anyway, I will show you those videos, but just to start off, I'm gonna do it with gravity. So I'm facing it downhill. I'm gonna put down my handbrake. I have it in first gear. I'm gonna release my foot off the brake. It's in on. Here it goes. And releasing the clutch now. So as you can see, the car is now on. So that's how you do it when there's a downhill. You can do it if you're facing forward or facing backward. If you're facing backward, of course, just put it in reverse. If you're facing forward, put it in first gear. If you could get enough speed, put it in second gear. And if you could get a significant amount of speed, maybe even consider putting it in third. You should know what's best for your car, but usually people do this in first gear. Now that I've done it with gravity, I'm gonna show you guys what it's like when you push it. All right, guys, so after showing you how gravity does it, I'm gonna show you a pushing method. So my trusty sidekick over here is gonna push my car. I'm gonna be inside it, and I'm gonna just dump the clutch, and which will start it, and then I'll do it backwards like I told you I would do. And the reason I'm not doing it myself is because if you guys know me or my channel, you know that I have the racing seat, door bars, roll cage, and all that. So it's too hard for me to push it, run in, and do all that. So I have my trusty sidekick, and I'll get this video going for you guys. So if you're stranded, you could get out of there. And if you are stranded and this helps you get out of there, please remember to subscribe, leave a comment, and leave a thumbs up. All right, so we're in this big parking lot just so we could film a video for you guys. And I'm gonna put my car into position and then shut it off to pretend it was dead. And I'm gonna pretend that I needed a push, and I'm actually push start it. So what you guys hear right there is my welded diff, because this is my drift car. And if you guys are interested in drifting, make sure you hit the subscribe button, because I do drift a lot. Okay, so I'm into position now. And my friend, all right, let me see. I'm gonna just put the wheel straight, because you do want to make it easy for it to move. Okay, so now that, so now it's off. I'm gonna put it in the on position. So now the car would be ready to start, but we're pretending the battery's dead, but the alternator still works. So I'm gonna put the clutch in, put it into first gear, and then I'm gonna leave the clutch in, and I'm gonna let my friend start pushing it. And after that, I'm gonna release the clutch fast, and that's gonna get the engine going. And then from there, you could do whatever. But after you start it, they always say to leave it running for like 14-15 minutes so that your battery could charge up if it's still good and it still holds juice. Anyway, let's see if we're ready to get pushed. Hey man, are you ready to push it? All right, let's do this. Okay, so here he is, he's pushing it. Luckily my car's not too heavy, so he's helping me get the ball rolling. And we're moving now, so I'm gonna release the clutch. And as you can see, the car launched right up. So that's another way to do it. And the last way I'm gonna show you guys is getting pushed and putting it in reverse. So let's get that video going, and then we could wrap this up. All right, so the same concept applies. I'm gonna put it in the on position without turning it on. You could do this if you're rolling down a hill or if someone's pushing you from the front. There's situations where you don't have room to go forward, you have to push it backwards, or your car is rolling backwards down a hill. So in those situations, what you would do is put the clutch in, put it into reverse, put the brake down. Okay, somebody would have to push you, and once you're rolling at a decent speed, you just release the clutch and you get started. Are you ready to push me, bud? All right, let's do this. All right, here it goes. So I'm rolling back, and as soon as we get good enough speed, I'm gonna release the clutch. And as you can see, the car started right up. So there's three methods. I hope you guys are able to start up your car. If you need to push start it, I hope this video taught you how to do it if you didn't know how to do it. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys later.